Do you want to feel more confident, healthy, and energized? Then try Trivexa, the natural and powerful product that will help you achieve your goals of weight loss, cell repair, and stress reduction. With its unique formula of natural ingredients, Trivexa helps speed up metabolism, burn fat and boost energy, making it easier to achieve your weight loss goals. And it's not just about the appearance. Trivexa also helps repair the body at the cellular level, improving cell regeneration and strengthening the immune system, so you feel healthier and rejuvenated. And if you're feeling overwhelmed by the stress of everyday life, Trivexa can help reduce anxiety and stress by balancing cortisol levels in the body. Imagine yourself free from tension, more relaxed and with a clear mind to face the challenges of everyday life. Don't waste any more time on artificial and ineffective products. Try Trivexa and find out how you can transform your health and well-being. With its natural and powerful formula, Trivexa is the right choice for those who want to achieve their goals and live life to the fullest. Make the smart choice today and start transforming your life with Trivexa. You can buy Trivexa with confidence. If for any reason you are not satisfied with the results of Trivexa, just contact us within 60 days of your purchase and you will get the full value of the product back. It's that simple. Feel completely satisfied with your purchase and have the opportunity to try Trivexa risk-free. So if you are looking for a natural and effective solution for weight loss, cell repair and stress reduction, try Trivexa today. With a 60-day warranty, you can feel safe knowing you're making a smart choice for your health and well-being.